Today we're talking about the UCPL Makey Makey Invention Kit. I can hear it already. Sarah, what's a Makey Makey Invention Kit? That was super satisfying. Alright, well the Makey Makey Invention Kit is this sweet box of cool stuff you can check out from your library to make things like this. I have invented a sweet keyboard. It plays the bongos. If I remember what button does what. This one. Or I can play a piano, but I can't 'cause I don't know how to play piano. Or I can play sweet games on Scratch. .mit.edu. Like Fua Fura, Kuragare, which is fluffy. Roll. Yeah, I'm sure that plays. Oh, look at that, I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing, everybody. Oh no! Oh no, I'm not good at this. Boom. I stopped rolling. Anyway, this is all some cool stuff you could check out and do at home. Because these kids go home with you. Alright. So what's in the box, you asked? Well, all of this cool stuff's in the box. Okay, not the computer. You gotta have one of those for yourself. But all of this is in the box. And if you get this home and you don't see this video on the box, it tells you what is in the box. It also tells you how to contact me if you need some help. Alright, so inside your box, got this super sweet official survey which helps us get funding. Fill it out, send it back to us. We love this stuff. Library science. We've got the Makey Makey How to Get Started guide. It'll tell you how to get started, how to use it. We all learn in different ways. Some people like YouTube videos, some people, or perhaps your parents, love a handy how-to guide. We've got some sweet conductive materials that you can connect up to your Makey Makey, like tin foil, copper tape, a 6B lead pencil, and this pen that writes in silver. Woohoo. An eraser, because 6B lead pencil gets everywhere. Some alligator clip wires. These wires that you can stab into the back of the Makey Makey, and bananas. The almighty and ever coveted red USB cord. And the star of the show, the Makey Makey circuit board. Now, I could go into depth about what circuits are, why they're cool, why computers need them, how we tricked rocks into thinking, and a lot of other stuff. But we can do that at another point, because right now, the first part is getting started and plugging this bad boy into that one. Alright, so my advice is to take your computer and head on over to makeymakey.com/bongos to get to this cool screen. You don't have to download anything, you don't have to install anything, you don't have to code anything. Start here, folks. makeymakey.com/bongos. Now, once you've navigated to the bongos, take that sweet red USB cord. I wrote UCPL on the top of it to make your life easier, but your computer might... You're still going to have to guess 3 times, even though there's 2 options. That's just how USB cords work. Sorry. So you're going to take that USB cord, plug it on in. You're going to take the little end and plug it on into your Makey Makey. If you look at the back, there's this little silver box. Oh, I don't have enough hands here. That little thing. You're plugging it into that. And when you do, you're going to hear the sweet, satisfying, and you'll see all those lights light up. That's letting you know that this bad boy has been electrified and is ready to play. So this is plug and play. You don't need to install anything. If you've got pop-ups, close them. You don't need them. Not necessary. Now that we've got this, and we've got our bongos, I'm going to turn the volume up for ultimate bongo experience. Yeah, that's right, 100. If you are touching Earth, and then you touch this air, well, we'll do the space key. Pretty sweet. See that little light lights up? That's how you know that a circuit has been created. And you're part of this circuit. Same goes for any of the arrows or inputs on this here. Now on the front side, you've got a directional pad set of arrows, and then these 2 space and click. There's in fact more cool inputs on the back of this bad boy that we will cover in a Zoom class if you want to take your Makey Making to the next level. Get inventing with it. Anyway, now that you got this going on, you can sit here all day, play these bongos. That sound is so satisfying. But as cool as that is, this keyboard sure is, this controller / keyboard sure is cooler. So how do we get to this? Well, through the magic of all the stuff I put in the box. So your Makey Makey's plugged in, and you are ready to connect. Grab them alligator clips, fam. Alright, once you got an alligator clip, you can make it a little easier to use by pulling this cover just right on down, like that. So that way you can grab the clips. And then I like to clip my earth connection first. That helps ground you to make the circuit. And then I like to knock things over and grab another alligator clip. And I'm going to use the space key first. So now I can hold on to my clips and play those bongos. And this is pretty cool, but we could take it to the next level. Sometimes you don't want to hold on to alligator clips. You want to be able to make some real noise. With tin foil. Now, this tin foil in the kits is yours to keep. Don't bring it back. Please don't. We want you to keep this forever. Also, same goes for this copper tape. So, for our demonstration purposes, I have connected this copper tape to the space key and the tinfoil to the earth. It's real hard for you to see, so I'm gonna move. Anything. You can do this with anything that's conductive. Pencil, copper tape, tin foil, bunch of daffodils from your front yard, potato, bananas. There's a really cool video I'm going to link that teaches you how to make carrots scream. So now that we've got past this basic stage, I'm tired of bongos. Head on over to makeymakey.com/piano to step it up a notch. Sounds so good. So you can keep on clipping more of these alligators to more cool conductive things, or you can just touch the board. How many things can it touch at once? So what could you invent? Will it be a controller? Will it be the coolest piano you've ever drawn? Find out with a Makey Makey Invention kit, available from the library. And if you are tired of bongos over pianos and want to create your own games that you can control with your Makey Makey, learn how to code, animate, and do sweet, sweet programming stuff, head on over to scratch.mit.edu, where you can follow along with cool projects, see things that other kids have made, and do cool stuff. Alright, well thank you for watching this video about our Makey Makey Invention kits. If you would like to join a class or get some cool resources to learn more about computer science and programming, go ahead and send me an email at ssenter@ucitylibrary.org, and that'll get you right to me, Sarah, your teen tech trainer. Alright. Thanks so much, and I can't wait to see you and your Makey Makey inventions. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum.